Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Lines then start early. Surely, if you say sorry. Why? Yo, today we're there with Alkaline Dangerous Youth official music video. We won't be breaking down the lyrics because we've done that already in the reaction for the audio. So, I'm going to pin that right at the end of this video. So, make sure you stay to the end. This one is the video. Yes, we're going to be reacting to the video. Gonna try and see what's happening in the video because we've been waiting for this. Alright, so let's jump in the one and see where the Vendetta boss office said, man. Vendetta people wanna dare. Vendetta people wanna dare. Like a bombo car video. Let's go. Dangerous. Hold on there. So it look like some video shoot at Jamaica then. Some overseas, right? Hold on, let me go back again and see something. This is overseas. Florida this, right? Dangerous. And this is Jamaica. So, alright. There's two. Alright, let's try to get the storyline anyway. Let's go. Dangerous. And I'm a gamble and tickling up on table.
Chat him out, get put palm out. When I pull it and the fire shot. Fussy run well like I said them here nose. Dangerous youth. Pull up, yo. Pull up. Let's go. Dangerous.
What can I say? Rifle in the hand, man. Yeah, man. Somebody go get it. Somebody have to go get this. Ready? Let me say.
Chat him out, get put palm out. When I pull it and the fire shot. Fussy run well like I said them here nose. Dangerous youth.
Bumbo clot. Even though them dead so. With rifle lean up on table a gamble, a turn back and a gamble. Look who should be on head. The Vendetta Mass himself. The Vendetta Mass himself. Boy, I go pitch over table now and jump up scotch. Lord clot, Binesies.
Shot. Fussy run well like I said them here nose. Dangerous youth. Kinda warm and master. Cold than Alaska, man. Go do any slaughter.
Bumbo clot. Look how boss a creep up. Neat. Pan the pussy them. Neat and slow. Nice and calm. Girl forget gunshot too because she had about bumbo clot. She forget gunshot too. Yeah, she forget gunshot too.
Fussy run well like I said them here nose.
Stay out and see them more, mama.
Dangerous youth. Kinda warm and master. Cold than Alaska, man. Go do any slaughter. While them a meds and a scan.
Jump up and say, Bumbo clot.
Penny and quarter. Send them a funeral parlor. Yo, that dangerous.
So hold on. Wait.
Dangerous piece of boy. Walk on the ends and crush it out one chip side. Move for the place, shoes up.
Rifleman walkless. The rifleman suck you. Alright, I'm not tell the boy mother. You walkless, my G. You walkless. Rifleman, you walkless, my G. Rifleman, you walkless. You're not fit of that. You're not fit of that nowhere near your brother. Get a slingshot. Get Get 2 big stone. You're not fit of that, brother. You can't make. You're not bad. You're bad. You're a poser. You're a 666. You're a 666 that is in the game of the domino. You're not bad. Oh man, for walk up like that with extension clip. Yes, with a Glock extension clip, and you have a rifle there. So I hear your foot and you gonna get up and like you're afraid. Rifle fear not. Why you fear take yourself and jump up fence everything? With a fence, you just speed like lightning. Brother, you walk this.
Cold than Alaska, man, go do any slaughter. While them a meds and a scan penny and quarter. Send them a funeral parlor. Yo, that dangerous piece of boy. Walk on the ends and crush it out one chip side. Move for the.
You're nothing make the man get so close to you, brother. Brother. If the man no kill you, go put on gun, please.
Play shoes up about and splinter fly. No never give one up blind. Stay there, think a time. Fully stick and we go mash up them there. Get this more than
Big up the G still way forward with him hunting, with him Glock, and I'm on. And I deal with no so. Big up yourself, man. Dangerous youth. Remember, so we now react to the lyrics, you know. We react to the video. You understand? Differences.
all the district if them cross our way. Look here, watch jump up together, somebody I go pay. From them, disobey. Kinda warm and master, cool and Alaska.
Everything lay down. Everything flat.
And go do any slaughter. While them a meds and a scan penny and quarter. Send them a funeral parlor. Yo, that chat him out, get put palm out. When I pull it and the fire shot. Fussy run well like I said, them here yours. Dangerous youth. At we are gangster, them a handicap. And the girl them they and the crutch. Guns and plenty rocks.
We are gangster, them a handicap, and the girl them there and the crutch. Me not react to the lyrics. Me react to the lyrics already. You can check out the lyrics breakdown. No, me do. Gonna check it out. Me go pin it at the end of this. At the video me work pan right now. The video.
We are gangster, them a handicap. And the girl them they and the crutch. Guns and plenty rocks. But them wife she a give the nash. Body end up missing when the light a gash. Feel safe you with job. Can't match up me I tell you that. God them yeah them a go want a family plot. But
yo, I want man to take on everything, you know. I want man the vendetta master take on everything, you know. You see man gonna deal it a little ends the wicked a while ago. Now a buckle boom. Yo. Man said go on the yard, turn that in a war.
Can't match up me I tell you that. God them yeah them a go want a family plot. Badness from the scratch. Does that welcome at place where them hang out on in a empty spot. Real bad man, real dangerous young. Them can't contest when a giant chose. Boy get minds up for your take boost. Oh, pull it through some cook that goes. God dead yeah that then chose. Oh I worry boy have to pay those.
Uno could give you a sniper. Uno could give you a bomber clad sniper. Here one man I tell you listen, me don't need no sniper. Give me that area and watch how me deal with it. One him I get. One him I get from afar to come and straight. Me don't have to aim. And straight.
Oh, I worry boy have to pay those. Oh, chat him out, get put palm out.
Yo, this come like say, let me see this. It's come like say a GTA the man a play and the man I do like a hitman job and just say the person when me if you take out and just give him one. And just look where. Him never business. Him know say him get it. Cause sound connect. Listen. Buying. I'm not buying. I'm not buying that one. I'm not buying. Cause one him get buying. Car buying. Watch again.
God dead yeah that then chose. Oh I worry boy have to pay those. Oh,
look where now.
Chat him out, get put palm out. When I pull it and the fire shot. Fussy run well like I said them here yours. Dangerous youth. Kinda warm and master, cool than Alaska. Man go do any slaughter. While them a meds and a scan penny and quarter. Send them a funeral parlor. Dangerous.
Better. Join Ambassador, big up yourself. Yeah man, out of bomb. Yes.
Let me show you why I stopped.
The video bad. The video bad. I like the step for him step and go clean up the whole yard, brother. Sweep up the whole yard without a broom. Yes, me like that. Yo, the video bad, bro. I feel laugh now myself, bro. I can't big up your fucking self, G. Big up yourself, bro. Go and do it, my fam. You been a do it, so go and do it same way. You see me? Yes, you don't know bad artists from them time there. What you guys think about this one though? Vendetta people them in the comment section now, please. Wanna think? If you don't get this far in this video, comment dangerous youth. in the video. Just comment Dangerous Youth, and that's it. Me know so on reach. If you don't want to see or hear the breakdown of this of the lyrics them, the reaction to the lyrics them, click on any one of them two video right now. Me don't know which one is I go there. Yeah, click on any one of them two video, yeah, and you go get it. You see me? Yes. I'll catch you guys in the next one though. Pieces!
Jamaica's worst gamer.